People often say a true genius can be found in the most unexpected places. This incredible restoration proves exactly that. When this young man visited his father-in-law's backyard for the first time, he noticed an old motorcycle buried beneath years of clutter. His father-in-law explained that it had been sitting there for more than 10 years. It was badly damaged, covered in dirt and rust, and was about to be sold as scrap metal. But the young man had a different vision. He believed the forgotten motorcycle still had life left in it. While everyone around him doubted the idea, he confidently promised to restore it completely. Friends and relatives were amazed that someone in his early 20s believed he could bring such a neglected machine back to life. The restoration began with a thorough cleaning. Wearing grey work gloves, he carefully scrubbed the off-road tyres using a soft brush and thick white cleaning foam. Years of dirt slowly disappeared, revealing rubber that looked almost new. Next, he focused on the metal components. Brake discs, wheel hubs, and other parts were immersed in a special green chemical cleaning and electroplating solution. When they were removed, the transformation was remarkable. The once dull and rusty surfaces now shone with a brilliant, mirror-like metallic finish. The rear wheel was then reassembled. The black drive chain was perfectly installed onto the sprockets, creating a beautiful contrast between the dark chain and the polished silver wheel. The most challenging stage was rebuilding the engine. After opening the engine case, he found that although the internal gears were still in reasonable condition, the exterior was coated with years of grease and grime. Using cleaning fluid and a brush, he patiently scrubbed every surface until the entire housing was spotless. Reassembly demanded precision. Every gear was carefully positioned, every bearing checked, and the chain accurately adjusted to ensure smooth and reliable power transmission. Once completed, the engine was mounted back onto the frame. To give the motorcycle a completely fresh appearance, the old black frame received a stunning coat of glossy gold paint. After the paint cured, the final assembly began. The bright red fuel tank, crisp white fenders, and every plastic panel were carefully installed, one piece at a time. Every bolt was tightened with care. The finished motorcycle looked breathtaking. The combination of the brilliant red bodywork, white fenders, and gold frame created a machine that looked better than anyone could have imagined. After less than 5 days of dedicated work, what had once been considered worthless scrap had become a beautiful off-road motorcycle once again. The moment of truth finally arrived. The engine roared back to life with a deep, powerful sound. As the motorcycle accelerated down the dirt road, its suspension worked flawlessly, and its performance exceeded everyone's expectations. This incredible restoration reminds us that with enough skill, patience, and determination, even something forgotten for over a decade can be given a second chance. If you enjoyed watching this amazing transformation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next incredible restoration and DIY project.